Good day, everyone. Let us now get started in writing a research. The selection of a suitable topic is the first major step in writing a research, a thesis, or a dissertation. For some students, this is just an easy task. They have known what they wanted to study from the time they enrolled in a course, a research course, or from the time they entered graduate school, and perhaps even before. But for many others, selecting a thesis topic, a research topic, or a dissertation topic is one of the most difficult parts in their studies. The thought of developing a completely original idea for such a large-scale project or a research may seem overwhelming to all of them, especially you, our dear students. In this video, I would like to present to you some tips on selecting a topic. Selecting a topic has two sub-parts. First is, let's get to know the sources of topic. And the second one is, let us learn to identify the criteria for topic selection. So what are the sources of topics? Well, there are many sources of topics that you can browse on or read on. First is your textbooks. So if you have or if you are enrolled in a course or in a degree program and you have different sources or courses, then your textbooks are actually sources of ideas and topics that you can select on as a topic in your research. Oftentimes, it is actually presented by the author as problems or as areas that needs some in-depth solution or things that are not yet being discussed or elaborated or looked into by professionals. So that's one. Another source of topic is the professional journals. Although when you read some textbooks, it will give you a broad overview of topic ideas for your research or your dissertation or thesis, you need also to search via your library or in your emails or in the Google search any topic that is related to your field. Say for example, if you are major in mathematics, math education, so you research on mathematics education journals. If you are a PhD student or an MS student math education, then you can also look into similar journals. If you are a PhD in educational administration, look for journals that is related to educational management and of course administration. By this, you will be able to examine what are the specific topic other researchers had already conducted, and from that, you'll be able to find out that there are actually recommendations for research or a new research to be conducted based on the limitations of the study. And of course, there are also journals that can be accessed in your local library or can be accessed electronically. So if you think you are not yet familiar in searching for electronic copy of journal, you can consult your librarian in your university, or you can also type in the Google search in the internet or in the website related topics. Say for example, you just type researches in education or researches in mathematics education. So that is actually one of the sources of topic in your research. Another one is of course theses or dissertations of students in your school. So other completed thesis or dissertation or research in your school serve as another source of topic selection. So say for example, your teacher made mention about a certain good research or thesis or dissertation in your courses during his or her class, then find time to look for that thesis or dissertation and start reading the paper. And then you will be able to find out that there are still interesting topics that you want to research on as your major topic or a specific topic in your research. Another one is theories. Theories are developed to explain phenomena in a field or to provide structure or framework to the knowledge base in a field. A new theory may be developed or an existing theory may be modified or extended. You might be able to be interested in a theory stated in your book, in one of the subjects or courses in your degree program, and you wish to modify or you wish to check or to validate or extend such theory. So that is actually one of the many sources of topic. Another one is your current employment. So say for example, you are a teacher in a barangay school in Bukidnon. So your current situation or employment can be another source of your research topic, especially so if there are a lot of researchable problems that needs concrete and factual solution at your area. And of course, the last one is the existing database. If you are employed in a university, in an agency, or a specific workplace in which there are existing data in your offices and you have access to that existing data, then it is a very good advantage of you in selecting your research topic. In fact, if you have already secondary data, then you can start already plugging in or finding relationship among the variables that you have already in your database. So those are actually the different sources of topic that you can avail of in order to find a very good or suitable topic for your research, your thesis, or dissertation. And of course, one way to find a very good topic is to read, and read. Read textbooks, you read professional journals, thesis or dissertation, theories, you read reports in your current employment, and you ask persons that is the one who is responsible in your databasing in your school or agency to review some information with regards to possible topic that you can conduct research with. And so of course, in selecting a topic, you need also to identify that there are criteria that you should consider before you finally select a specific topic for your research. There are actually 6 criteria that you need to consider in selecting your topic. The first one is interests. It is fortunate for you if you are now writing a research paper and the topic you have selected is actually of your interests. Remember that writing a research is hard work, and when you find a very substantial and compelling topic, then it is for sure sustainable as you go through the different steps and processes in conducting a research. Always remember, when you select a topic, it should be a topic of your interests. Second, significance. When you select a topic, you should always remember that it should have a significant contribution to your field. For example, if you are a mathematics educator, then your research findings should have significant contribution to your field as teacher in mathematics. Remember that a topic to be significant, it should at least do one of the following: contribute to the development of a new theory, test an existing theory, uncover new facts or principles, challenge existing truths or assumptions, suggest relationships between phenomena, provide new insights into phenomena, suggest new interpretations of known facts, alter other people's perceptions about phenomena, and extend a research methodology or statistical procedure. So those are the very important thing that you need to consider so that you will know if your topic is of high significance to your field. Third is available data. So as a student and somebody who wants to write a research thesis or dissertation, you need also to remember that there is a need for you to reconsider if the data that you will be collecting is already available or accessible, or else it will be very hard for you to gather such information. Fourth one is knowledge and skills. So as a researcher, you need to select a topic that is consistent with your ability and the things that you know already, because if you gather or if you do something that is not within your knowledge and your ability, then it will be very hard for you to complete it. Fifth is manageability. So most students begin with a very broad topic, and then when they find out that it's very broad, they need to divide it into subtopics and finally select a focus of the study. So in this case, you need to see to it that you can manage the scope of your research topic. And the last one is funding. Remember, before selecting a topic, you need to know if you have the necessary resources, especially financial resources, to fund for that research project. So again, if you are selecting a topic for your research thesis or dissertation, you need to read sources of topics like textbooks, professional journals, dissertations, theories, current employment, and existing data. So these are the very necessary things that you need to do in order to select a suitable topic for your research, thesis, or dissertation. I hope that it will help you find a very interesting topic so that you will be able to start your research writing. Thank you so much. God bless and stay safe.